It's your boy Rocks in the mix.
From the heights of Nakovadra, where the mist begins to rise, the spirit of our mother shines within our daughter's eyes. In the shadow of the mountains, by the coast of golden sand, we are the heartbeats of the province, the guardians of the land. From the sunrise in Rocky to the winds of Cebu, we carry on the legacy with our hearts forever true. We gather as one people, from the valleys to the shore. In Nakoro to Bush reaches, we hear the ocean roar. Nalaban, Nailuva, where the ancient rivers flow. In Burewa and Burevanua, our sacred gardens grow. Tokaimalos mountain pass and Avola's wide embrace. Every village is a jewel, every woman full of grace. Rana no gubanu alo manitale, vekoro kete sara era matalau. Marama Marama Tudei, lo mavata, velo mani, dua vata, auria sevara, navano goi, e navano ga. Listen to the names of home, the places we belong. From Navuavua to Namalevu, we raise a joyful song. Standing proud and tall, Togo Verevuni, Togo Loa, we answer to the call. Narewa, Rewasa, and Namatovu too. Nagaliva Urokovuaka, we pledge our love to you. Invade Nassau and Mataso's quiet light. In Nayolevu and Malake, we shine through every night. From Nananu to Vatuka Teva Teva, where the legends stay. The women of Ra are leading the way. We weave the mats of unity. We plant the seeds of peace and love for our province that will never end. Marama Tudei, lo mavata, velo mata, dua vata, auria sevara, e navano goi, e navano ga. Rana no guvanu alo manitale, vekoro che te sara era matalau. Marama Tudei, lo mavata, velo mani, dua vata, auria sevara, e navano goi, e navano ga. The scent of frangipani on the salty ocean breeze, the prayers of our grandmothers beneath the Vessi trees. Ra, our home, Ra, our soul. Auria Sewara, Auria Sewara, Navano goi, e Navano ga.